Hi. Good Friday morning. It's late in the morning. I have not eaten breakfast. It's about 8:45. I thought we'd make a little minute rice recipe from 1954. Why is this dirty? This is called Minute Rice RAREBIT. You know that, you read the title. This caught my attention for two reasons. One, I liked the picture. It looks like it's on kind of a turquoise plate, which I have. I have a plate that's kind of turquoise. There's just a plate of rice, a little bit of bacon, and a green bean, radish, and cucumber salad. I see radish, I see green beans. Maybe that's fancy cucumber. And what is that? I think that's an onion? I'm not sure. We'll put a little onion in. Probably gonna make a little vinaigrette, make it a cold salad. I don't know why. It's got radishes. Cheers, it's Friday. We're drinking coffee. Our friend's mug. Full recipe is in the description. It's just so freaking simple. In my 66 years, I've never made minute rice. I'm sure my mother did growing up, but I don't remember. I've never bought it. I've always made rice from scratch. Ready in 5 minutes. It should say 5-minute rice, don't you think? But no, 5 minutes is really good. This RAREBIT gravy, it says to use a can of condensed tomato soup. It doesn't say add water to it. The idea is we use the soup, a cup and a half of grated cheddar cheese, some Worcestershire, a dash of cayenne, put that over some rice with a couple slices of bacon, and the radish, cucumber, and green bean salad. We're going to use our Farberware double boiler. That pretty much guarantees we're not going to overheat it. How will this cook condensed with a cup and a half of grated cheese? It just seemed like something fun. Minute Rice RAREBIT from 1954. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. Looks like it's split though.
It's cooked. Huh. Should we put it in a blender? I don't know. All right, let's plate up.
So it looks like it's split. Maybe if I used American processed cheese, it wouldn't have split. I'm gonna put it in the blender. Why not? Whoa. It's okay. All right, let's check it out. Oh, hey, it looks good.
Whoa. Ooh. Gotta take a picture. Picture. Oh, that looks good.
We gotta try this before it gets cold. I think you got a mouth and two eyeballs, a mouth, and a big sloppy cheesy nose. Let's see what this tastes like. It didn't harden up. It really smoothed out in the blender. I'm really glad I did that. Wow. Minute Maid, 1954. What? Minute Maid. Minute Rice. Minute Minute Rice RAREBIT. It is very cheddary. Let's try the salad. It's been marinating. Hint of sesame. I like the salad. Let's try a piece of bacon. I'm thinking American cheese would have been better. I think it would have a better flavor. It does taste a little sharp. So if you want that, it is smooth at least. Minute Rice is weird. It tastes like it's done. They really are separate little kernels. I'm impressed with the rice. Let's try a little bacon in. Oh, hey! Gosh darn it. Tastes good with the bacon. I would say 1 can with the cheese makes about 2 servings, not 4. It said it will delight 4. Of course, portions were smaller back then, but they show a big plate. I may try this again, but with American cheese. It's not unpleasant. I'm not sure why it's so salty. How much salt is in that freaking can? 480 milligrams of sodium for 1 serving, 1.25 servings. Let's just take another bite and we'll let you go. Still fun. That was fun. Maybe take poutine gravy and melt the cheese into that, huh? I like that the salad is cold. It is refreshing. I think I'll try this again. I think there's something here that's fun. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.